Welcome friends. This channel I am all going to talk about interview questions. In this video I am going to cover crowd testing. If you are visiting to this channel first time, do subscribe to my channel so that you will get my videos as and when I publish the videos, and click on the bell notifications. As and when I publish the video, you will be receiving it. So let's not wait, then move on to discuss on what are the important interview questions being asked in crowd testing. So what is crowd testing? So crowd testing means where you will be getting the testing done, or you will be getting the testing done for the given application or a website or in anything by using the test services provided by the group of people who are spread across different geography, and they will have their different skill set. So people may sit in Pakistan, people may sit in India, people may sit in Afghanistan, people may sit in US, or people may sit in UK, and the test services will be provided by various group of people. So if you are going to take their help in testing your application, then it is called as a crowd testing. Then in your mind you may be getting what is crowd testing. You got the answer. So in the interview they may also ask what is the benefit or advantages of crowd testing. So here it goes. So the main benefits of crowd testing, it provides because you have the opportunity to take the support from the different countries. If you are taking help from US and UK, the cost of testing would be little higher, but because you are taking the help of across geography and various countries in the planet, then you would be getting the cost of the testers at lower cost, and you will see a lot of flexibility also in them because they come from the different countries, because every countries like China, they work very hard, and India also very work hard, and they are flexible for in the timings. So you will see all those benefits around the clock. You will get the testing your product, and diversifying the testers across the geography. That is one of the most benefit you will be getting out of the crowd testing. And also buying multiple devices or multiple UOSs or a browser by one person or one company is very difficult, right? And by adopting the crowd testing option, this problem or this challenge will get solved for you, where because you are taking the testers across the globe, and everybody will have their browsers, or they will have their own operating system, or they will have their own mobile devices, so which you can get tested from them. So that cost also will get reduced, and it would be one of the very important benefit, these benefits, if you are using the crowd testing. So crowd testing now crowd testers normally perform exploratory testing, because they will learn the application when they are testing it, and they will identify the issues as if how the customer is going to raise a defect or find a issue. Users across different geographic language locations. So these tests are located across geographical locations. The fourth very important one is, so normally crowd testing cannot be used in everywhere, right? And crowd testing normally will be used for testing mobile applications, the testing the games, e-commerce websites. These are some of the very important user-centric application areas where you can adopt the crowd testing. And one more benefit is you can, by adopting crowd testing, you can get the things in a quicker manner. Suppose you have 1,000 test cases, and if you wanted to execute in a one day, and you appropriately can go for crowd testers and get the testing done in very quicker manner. And because you are taking people from different geographies, and every country will have their own languages and own language experts who will be part of this testing, and you can use them in the localized testing. Let's say if you want to test the product using Chinese language, then it is better to go for China's people and across different countries also in a similar manner on their languages, so that it is very easy for you to do a localization testing as well as verifying the localization defects. So these are some of the benefits of crowd testing. So then next question it may come, what are the disadvantages for crowd testing? And this questions also will be asked in the interview. So I'm trying here to list down some of the disadvantages of crowd testing. So because the crowd testers are spread across various countries, and number of people also will be very high, it is little difficult in controlling the test coverage, because there will be more looking as an end user, as well as um, they will be looking on exploratory testing. So it is sometimes it is very difficult to give a concrete test coverage across all 100% functionalities. And it is also very difficult to push the crowd to test the very important test. We may suggest to test on certain modules, but deep diving further into the certain features, very important critical features, is a little tiresome, and also it is little difficult to get out of from this crowd testing. And because the population or volume of these crowd testers is very high, and motivating them is little humongous task, and also having a testing schedule for all these resources who are located in different geography is also a tedious task. And another one is maintaining the quality of the product by testing from this crowd resources is little higher, because they may start logging a high duplicate defects without validating what defects are existed and what kind of defects already existed. Because everything happens in parallel, there are chances that they may be logging very high duplicate defects, and again analyzing each and every defect consumes a lot of time. um, and this because of this, uh, it may happen that the quality of the product we may have to compromise to a little bit. So these are some of the advantages and disadvantages I have spoken about crowd testing. Then let's move on to how will you overcome, because this is very important in interview question being asked in by any interviewer, that okay, you mentioned about advantages, you mentioned about disadvantages, then how will you overcome these challenges by using crowd testing? So I have tried to list some of the important techniques being overcome the challenges. So basically, you will have to maintain a common central board, where basically this common central board is used for motivating the testers who are studying across geography. Basically, we'll have to showcase their achievements. So let's say suppose the person testers logged a good defect, then we'll have to put it into the top 5 or top 10 important defects who log these defects, so that those testers will get motivated, and along with that other testers also will get inspiration. And uh, and also after displaying, maybe we'll have to start giving monetary benefits who are logging very important or critical defects, or some kind of appreciations, so that would give a lot of chances of improving the motivation. And also using the right requirement traceability matrix and right test coverage tools to write the very important test cases, and to ask them to execute those test cases based on the given module or criticality of the module. That would also improve the challenges being faced in cloud testing. We can overcome that. At least I could see these are some of the two methods. There are still various other ways to overcome, and if you can communicate this one to your interviewers, I think it is they can get convinced that at least you know about crowd testing, right? I think I come across to the end of this video, and if you like this video, please like this video, and if you would like to share with your friends who is also preparing for interviews and they also would like to know crowd testing, please do share it. And if you have any additional topic which I need to cover on interview questions, then please comment it so that I can create next videos in the same topic. I'll try, definitely I will try it.